In this brief slideshow, I will be discussing the eugenics movement in America's effect on Nazi Germany. Firstly, in order to discuss the eugenics movement, I'll have to define it. According to Francis Galton, one of the movement's pioneers, eugenics is the study of agencies under social control that may improve or impair the racial equalities of future generations. Sir Francis Galton was known as a brilliant geneticist. He studied the writings of Charles Darwin, who happened to be his cousin, and expanded on his theory of natural selection. He believed and worked to prove that human personality traits like genius and talent were inherited, thus birthing his famous or infamous regression towards the mean idea. This said that society was working against Darwin's natural selection theory by protecting the weak and underprivileged. This laid the foundation for the eugenics movement in America during the early 1900s. The reason the study of the eugenics became so popular during this time period is due to the social, economic, and political climate of the time. The Great Depression, an increased influx of immigrants, the rise of progressivism, and a low birth rate within the wealthy class were among many factors that contributed to the firm belief in eugenics. While Galton's original studies encouraged people with good genes to procreate, there was a dark side to this study that created heinous laws that forcibly sterilized people and restricted mixed marriages and immigrants from coming into the country. Shortly after these laws were passed in many states in the U.S., in 1933, Nazi government in Germany took notice and followed suit, passing laws that justified the sterilization of over 300,000 of those deemed unfit. This opened the gates for extermination and other horrible atrocities to come during World War II. Why was this possible in two developed and so-called sophisticated countries? Pseudoscience and manipulated research backed these outrageous theories along with fear and propaganda. It wasn't until the Holocaust and other crimes against humanity were uncovered in Nazi Germany that the movement, which originated in America, started to finally decline.